these boxes. Yes, SpongeBob SquarePants here, working on Bikini Bottom with the Krusty Krab. You want to say anything, Patrick?
Wait, can I speak into it?
Get back to work.
Sorry, sir, Dad.
I also got Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Hi, Pluto. Hi, Goofy. Hey, Mickey.
Can't do Goofy without that in there. Should be a car alarm. Done. Thanks, man. See you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. It bit my tongue, too.
I'm Verbal Ace Beatboxer from outer space. You can check me out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, any place the government can keep a tab on you. That's where I'm at. I'll show you another crazy
Shout out Gotta Eat TV.
Shout out to what?
Gotta Eat TV.
Shout out to Gotta Eat TV.
Yep, I gotta eat too. Patrick keeps eating up all my food.
No, I don't. And here's another crazy sound. Never swallow a cell phone or you might go like this. Sorry, that's not the cell phone again, sorry. Here's another crazy routine. This is Crazy Train by Ozzy Osbourne. Real quick it goes. Crazy Train. That's just a quick version of it. Almost swallowed my tongue too. Never swallow your tongue. It isn't good. Anyway, I'm Verbal Ace. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna get off here and music. Wonderful.
Try yourself out. Verbal Ace. Verbal Ace. It's on the shirt. Tell them subscribe to Gotta Eat. Subscribe to Gotta Eat or you'll starve. Thank you guys.